you all are having a great day, night, whenever you're watching this. So today we are in London and we are going to the V&A Museum. I've wanted to go for a while. It's been on my list of like places to go, and since I'm in London, look at the boss. If you are new here, my name is Olivia. I'm the founder of Lavi Rèv at Lavi Rèv. We're a consultancy that specializes in strategic planning, giving Black and brown women the tools they need to build their dreams. And for me, part of that is showing you things that can spark inspiration or inspire you or something cool, because I feel like I get some of my best ideas just like as sparks or when I see something interesting or cool. So my hope is that I'm always showing you all interesting things, hopefully interesting things. I think this would be cool to see, and yeah, hopefully inspiring, which again is the whole point of Lavi Rèv and my business. So I'm taking full advantage of being in London. I'm actually a little late. My friend is already there today's Monday, but this past weekend I've just been like spending time with my friends. It's so great to just be around your people who get it, people who also have businesses, just other female entrepreneurs. It's just so inspiring. So anyways, I am late, let's go. So I know that was super quick. I hope you all enjoyed just coming to B&A Museum, seeing, I don't know, some cool art, some, you know, something new. If you want to learn more about Lavi Rèv, working with me, all of that, what we do, all the links will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!